Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Gmail on your MacBook. All right, let's begin. First, make sure you have Google Chrome installed on your MacBook. Once that's done, open the Chrome browser and head over to the Google website. Next, click on the Gmail option located in the top right corner and sign into your Gmail account if needed. After Gmail opens in your browser, click on the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of Chrome. From the drop-down menu, scroll down to Cast, Save, and Share. Then select Install Page as App. A pop-up window will appear where you can rename the app if you want. You can leave it as Gmail and then click on Install. Once installed, Gmail will open as its own separate application instead of running inside your browser. You can even close Chrome completely and Gmail will still stay open. You'll also notice the Gmail icon appear in your MacBook dock and inside Apps for quick access later. So that's basically how you can get Gmail on your MacBook. That's it for this video. Thanks.